Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make some of our doll stationeries. So quickly before we start the video, I'm going to give the shoutouts to
Mr. Bug, My Pet Life and Gaming, Dolltastic Things, Reina Hale, Manisha Fukan, and Pamelia Espinosa PH.
Thank you all so much for commenting. And remember, if you'd like a shout out, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. So now let's get into the video. So we are going to make some stationeries like eraser, pencil and ruler. So let's begin. For a ruler, I'm going to first take a popsicle stick. Then cut off its rounded end. Like this. Then I have cut more than half of the side of the popsicle stick to make it look like the length of a doll-sized ruler. After that, you can take a black marker and then add some more details to the ruler. This looks like a wooden ruler. We can do the same thing with a plastic sheet and then make a plastic ruler for our dolls. Next, we are going to make some pencils and markers using toothpick. So first of all, for making a pencil, I am going to cut half of the toothpick right like this. Taking a marker, I am going to make the tip of the pencil black like this. Then I am going to take my marker again and make some zigzag lines like this. Just like a pencil. Next, taking another marker such as blue, I am going to color the whole of the pencil, leaving just a little bit from the bottom. After coloring it with blue, I took a black marker and then made lines on it for more details. Then the tip that we left, I have colored it with a black marker and then with a pink one to make an eraser. And this makes a pencil. We can make it of different colors such as this yellow. Next, from the leftover cutout that we cut from the toothpick, I am going to make a marker from this. First of all, I take a black marker and then I color just a little from over here to define the difference between a cap and the bottom. I have also colored the tip black and then take a color and color the rest of the toothpick. To make a red marker, you can make more markers using more different colors. Next, I am going to make an eraser which really works. For that, I am going to cut off the end eraser of a pencil to make an eraser. And if you want to make it of different shapes and kind of used, just rub it on a surface and then cut it off. Next, I am going to make just a small whiteboard for our dolls, and for that I am going to take one of these stands that I got and cut it in a smaller size. I cut off another strip from that same stand, color it black, and then you can paste the strip at the back of it if you want. But I don't. So now I'm going to take some tape. After pasting tape, I believe it will really work as a whiteboard. Let's try. Here I have tried a whiteboard marker, and yes, it works. Then I take the real eraser from our whiteboard eraser and then I'm going to cut it. So now our dolls have their own whiteboard, some markers, pencil, eraser and ruler, everything that they need. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye and thanks for watching. I hope you...